To find the x-intercepts of this parabola, first recall that x-intercepts always mean that y is equal to 0. So if we set y equal to 0, then this whole quadratic is 0. And if we divide by 2 on both sides, we get that x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Then we add 4 to both sides, and we get that x squared minus 2x is equal to 4. I'm going to add a box to both sides of this that we need to fill in. What goes in that box is determined by what's in the next line, which has yet another box. Now to fill in all of these boxes, in other words completing the square, we simply take half of the coefficient, or divide by 2. It's probably easier to write that. We divide 2 by 2, which gives us a 1. And then we square that 1. We square the 1, and that gives us still 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we had to add 1 to both sides of this equation. And 4 plus 1 adds up to 5. So now we can take the square root of both sides. We get that x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. And if we add 1 to both sides, we've solved the equation, because we get that x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. And we have solved this quadratic equation, which is to say we found two y-intercepts, x-intercepts rather. We found two x-intercepts of this parabola that we started with.